This is Chandrika Ma'am from Ipsita Ma'am's English classes, and welcome to another session of BA and MA English Literature Explained. Today, let's explore Derek Walcott's A Far Cry from Africa, a poem that captures the violent history of colonialism, the Mau Mau uprising in Kenya, and the poet's own torn identity. Derek Walcott, who was of mixed African and European descent, writes this poem with anguish, irony, and deep self-reflection. The poem responds to the Mau Mau rebellion of the 1950s, where African nationalists fought against British colonial rule. Walcott presents the scene with disturbing imagery. Corpses are scattered, the earth is stained with blood, and colonial violence is matched with native resistance. He neither glorifies nor condemns one side entirely, but instead shows the brutal consequences of empire and rebellion alike. One major theme is violence. Walcott shows how colonialism breeds cruelty and how liberation struggles also become violent. Another theme is identity and divided loyalty. As a Caribbean writer of African and European heritage, Walcott feels torn between two worlds. He asks, how choose between this Africa and the English tongue I love? This line captures his personal dilemma. He cannot reject Africa, his ancestral land, nor can he reject English, the very medium of his art. A third theme is language and power. English is both the language of the oppressor and the poet's tool of expression, creating a paradox of resistance through colonial language. Scholars often see this poem as post-colonial literature at its most poignant. Walcott refuses to offer a simple resolution. Instead, he stages his inner conflict as a metaphor for the divided history of colonized nations. The poem's structure itself reflects fragmentation. Abrupt images, unsettling contrast, and shift in tone mirror the fractured world he describes. The landscape of Africa becomes symbolic, both a place of suffering and a site of cultural memory. The poet's ambivalence, admiring English culture while mourning African suffering, highlights the psychic scars of colonialism. A Far Cry from Africa is not just about Kenya. It's about every colonized nation, every writer caught between two identities, and the universal cost of empire. At Ipsita Ma'am's English classes since 2015, Kolkata's top choice for UG and PG English coaching with a 4.8 Google rating, Ma'am provides exam-focused lectures in English, Bangla, and Hindi, and all necessary notes and assignments. WhatsApp to 98744 for joining. If this video helped, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and grow like a pro with Ipsita Ma'am.